Hello everybody, welcome to Grade 12 Paper 1 Winter School. In this video, I analyze the syllabus and give you some strategies to help you with your studies. I also discuss the November 2020 Paper 1, Question 10 in full, and I take you through the explanations as well as how the examiners mark and where marks are allocated. Now this question counts 7 out of the 150. Which is equal to 4.6%. It is based on grade 12 work. Remember, probability is also a grade 11 topic. But let's go to the question. Now this is what the full question looks like. Let's do it. In a certain country, 10-digit telephone numbers with the following format were introduced. Area code 3 digits, exchange code 3 digits, number 4 digits. Digits may be repeated. 10.1. How many possible 10-digit telephone numbers could be formed? And then your answer is 10 to the 10, which is 10 billion. How did this work? The area code is 3 digits. It's this 10 times 10 times 10. That is the area code. And then the exchange code is that 10, 10, 10 for the exchange one. And then the number, there's 4 digits. And it can be 4, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then you multiply everything together and you get the 10 billion worth 2 marks. 10.2. Certain restrictions were placed on the groups of digits. The area code must be 3 digits and the first digit cannot be a 0 or a 1. Exchange code must be 3 digits and the first and second digits cannot be 0 or 1. The number must be 4 digits and the first digit must be a 0 or a 1. 10.2.1. How many valid 10-digit telephone numbers could be formed by applying the given restrictions? Now, it works like that. First of all, the first 3 numbers you see there, that is for the area code. And then, do you understand? The first digit cannot be 0 or 1. So you subtract 2 digits, which is the 0 or the 1, and then there's only 8 possibilities left. Then the next group of 3, that is the exchange code. There's the 3 numbers, the 3 digits, and the first and second digit cannot be 0 or 1. And that is why there's only 8, because you subtract the 0 or 1 that it cannot be. And then the last 4 digits, on the first one, the first digit must be a 0 or a 1 and nothing else. So that is why that one is a 2. And then the rest can be any of the 10 digits. So when you multiply all of this together, you get 1,0249 times 10 to the 9. And then this is worth 3 marks. The marks were for the area and the exchange, for the number and final answer. And then 10.2.2, determine the probability that any randomly chosen 10-digit telephone number would be a valid number. So the probability is the previous answer, the 1,0249 times 10 to the 9, divide by the 10 to the 10 possibilities of number 10.1, and then that is 0,1024, and if you multiply that by 100 to get a percentage, it's 10.24%. So the marks are on the probability and final answer. The next topic I will discuss is also on probability. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to that question.